This is the entry to the townhouse with full wall to floor to ceiling cupboards and shelving, parquetry floors and laundry facilities with plenty of shelving, tiled basin and washing machine taps. This is the kitchen and the living area. Plenty of cupboard space, mirrored splashback, gas 4-burner stove. Breakfast bar, bench, dishwasher and basin. The fridge would be enough for a single door refrigerator. As you can see, there's stairs that will go down to lower bedrooms, and this is all the living area, parquetry floors, full balcony, split system and decorative lighting and concrete ceiling. This bedroom downstairs is on the lower level, full carpets, split system, and 2 sets of robes, mirrored robes, overlooking the Maribyrnong River. And its own ensuite with full mirrored cupboards and some shower. This is one of the bedrooms downstairs. Again, full carpet, blackout blinds, views to the Maribyrnong River. Still a bit of a work site, but that should be completed. And then of course, mirrored robes, floor to ceiling. The upstairs bedroom is fully carpeted, windows that overlook the Maribyrnong River and balconies, and mirrored wardrobes. And this bedroom takes you into an ensuite bathroom with shower and full mirrored cupboards. The complex contains a series of meeting rooms and workstations for those who opt to either work from home, have meetings or board meetings from home, or just prefer to tinker on some DIY projects with a series of little workstations, benches, data cabling and areas to place your tools.